used to wonder, how do you juggle it all? Kids, work, and keeping the home running smoothly. Mornings were a blur of grabbing coffee on the go. Real food? That rarely happened. Getting enough greens was the last thing on my mind. By evening, I was utterly exhausted. Sometimes cooking dinner felt impossible, and when I needed a quick pick-me-up, it was usually a chocolate bar or some biscuits, just enough to get me through the day. Then I discovered Power Greens, a green superfood blend packed with spirulina, broccoli, seaweed, and a whole host of other nutrient-rich plants. It takes just seconds to prepare. 1 scoop mixed with water and you're done. It's like having a fresh salad without any cooking or fuss. And trust me, it tastes great. No sugar, no weird aftertaste, just fresh, natural goodness. The best part? How it makes me feel. I wake up with a clear head, no cravings for sweets, and a steady flow of energy to power me through my busy day, whether it's school runs or work meetings. This isn't some pharmacy supplement, it's real whole food nutrition. Power Greens from NSP is brought to you by a trusted company with over 50 years of experience. Reliable, natural, and thoroughly tested. Ready to try it? Sign up now and get up to 40% off your first order. Want to see for yourself? Hit the link below and get started. It's that easy.